Welcome to my channel, and today we're diving into something truly legendary, the return of an icon, the 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 502. For decades, the Chevelle name has been synonymous with raw American muscle, and now Chevrolet has brought it back in a way that honors its past while redefining what muscle cars can be in the modern era. The Chevelle was a classic of the 1960s and 70s, a car that roared on the streets, owned the drag strips, and became a cultural icon. The SS 502 badge in particular carried serious weight representing monstrous displacement, unmatched torque, and a presence that could silence entire parking lots. Fast forward to today, and Chevrolet is rewriting history with the 2026 Chevelle SS 502, a car that blends retro design with futuristic performance and technology. At first glance, the design speaks volumes. Chevrolet has clearly taken cues from the legendary 1970 Chevelle SS, with its aggressive stance, muscular fenders, and that unmistakable wide-body look. But this isn't a carbon copy, it's a modern reinvention. The headlights are sharp, LED clusters that look futuristic, yet still nod to the quad-light setup of the old days. The front grille is massive, blacked out, and carries the bold SS badge with pride. From the side, the long hood, short deck proportions scream muscle car heritage, while subtle aerodynamic touches, like a sculpted diffuser and hidden air channels, remind us that this isn't just about nostalgia, it's about performance too. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the 502 cubic inch V8 engine. Yes, you heard that right. Chevrolet has gone all in, bringing back the legendary big block spirit, but giving it a modern twist. The 2026 SS 502 packs a naturally aspirated 8.4-liter V8 paired with advanced direct injection and variable valve timing. The result? A jaw-dropping 780 horsepower and over 700 lb-ft of torque. That's the kind of power that makes the ground shake and the driver's pulse race. For those who love speed, the Chevelle SS 502 doesn't disappoint. 0 to 60 comes in just 3.2 seconds, and the top speed pushes past 200 mph. Yet, unlike the raw, sometimes unrefined muscle cars of the past, this one is built for balance. Chevrolet has equipped it with adaptive magnetic ride suspension, massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, and an electronic limited slip differential. That means it's not only fast in a straight line, it's confident in the corners too. This is a car that respects tradition while embracing the future. It's powerful, aggressive, stylish, and unmistakably Chevelle. But that's only half the story, because the SS 502 isn't just about raw numbers. It's about the experience, the sound, the heritage, and the way it connects to the golden era of muscle cars. Stay tuned, because in Part 2, we'll dive deeper into the driving experience, the advanced technology, and why the 2026 Chevelle SS 502 might just be the perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern innovation. Welcome back, and now let's continue exploring the legend reborn. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 502. When you fire up the engine, the first thing that hits you is the sound. It's a deep, thunderous roar that instantly reminds you of classic American muscle. Chevrolet has engineered the exhaust system to deliver a symphony of power. Raw, enough to make your neighbors turn their heads, but refined enough to meet modern noise and emission regulations. And yes, if you choose the track mode, it opens up fully, giving you the full big block soundtrack that feels like a time machine back to 1970. But while the Chevelle SS 502 respects its roots, it's no dinosaur. Underneath that muscular body lies a host of cutting-edge technology. The adaptive suspension constantly reads the road and adjusts in milliseconds, giving you comfort during daily drives and razor-sharp handling when you push it hard. Launch control and performance. Traction management ensure that all 780 horses get put down effectively, making this car not just fast, but controllable. Inside the cabin, the technology continues. Chevrolet's latest infotainment system features a massive 15-inch center screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, augmented reality navigation, and even performance telemetry for track days. Drivers can customize nearly everything, from suspension, stiffness to exhaust volume, through a simple, intuitive interface. There's also advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. So while the Chevelle is a monster on the track, it's also safe and practical enough for everyday use. One of the most exciting parts of the 2026 Chevelle SS 502 is how it offers two distinct personalities. With a twist of the drive mode selector, you can transform it from a comfortable cruiser into a track-ready beast. In comfort mode, the suspension softens, the exhaust quiets down, and the steering becomes lighter, perfect for long highway drives. Switch to sport or track mode, and suddenly the car tightens up, the exhaust bellows, and the throttle response sharpens instantly. It's like having two cars in one. Chevrolet has also made sure that customization plays a big role in the Chevelle's appeal. Buyers can choose from a wide palette of heritage-inspired colors, including classics like cranberry red, fathom blue, and hugger orange, alongside modern metallic finishes. Optional stripe packages and carbon fiber aero kits allow owners to truly make their commotional and visceral, a machine that connects directly with the driver's heart. The Chevelle SS 502 isn't just about performance stats or retro styling, it's about passion, about rekindling the spirit of American muscle, and about reminding the world why these cars became legends in the first place. So, if you've ever dreamed of seeing the Chevelle return, the wait is over. The 2026 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 502 is here, and it's every bit as iconic as we hoped it would be.